more than 100 years old cross म्हणतात आमच्या रात्री unknown people आणि त्याला असतं not only cross to the side of the
According to me, it is a planned thing because the guy came and destroyed my pots.
destroyed your pots also.
My power plot. And he went also inside this building opposite and also destroyed some plants to divert the attention. Because this was well planned situation. Because I think in the morning the police came and collected a big stone. That stone cannot be lifted by ordinary man. He's some tough guy, heavy stone.
So police have come to the site, complained of Algala.
Yeah. The local councillor, Mr. Eddie George, has lodged a complaint.
The ancient old,
It must be 100 years old.
100 old, yeah.
100 years. Now liberation is only 60 years past.
त्याच्या पहिलेच
Before that,